Today we're going to learn about the paint editor tool in ScratchJr. The first thing we need to do is open up our ScratchJr app. First we go to the launcher, then we find the ScratchJr cat and click on it. Wait for it to load. After it finishes loading, we're going to click on the home button, and then we're going to create a new project by clicking on the plus sign. Today, we're going to give our cat a costume. We want to have our cat look like Lightning, our school mascot. To do this, we're going to go up to the character card for the cat, and we're going to click on the paintbrush tool. This will open up our paint editor button. Do is go up and edit the cat's name. So if I go up and click, I can delete what's up there, and I can click Lightning Cat, since I want the cat to look like lightning. Now that our sprite has a name, it's time to give them a costume. Over here, we have some different tools to help us with shapes. The first squiggly line is the line tool. This allows us to draw any way we want. So I'm going to make some wings for our character. But it's black. I actually wanted them to be blue since lightning is blue. So I want to undo what I just did and make it go away. Now I can click on my line tool, click on the color that I want, then draw my wings. That will give me an outline. Now I want to draw some wings on the other side. I want to color them in now. I'm going to go over and use the paint bucket tool. I'm going to select the color that I want, and I'm going to click inside of where I just drew. Now we have color on the inside. If you want to use the circle tool, you can click and drag to make a circle. If you don't like it, we can click undo. We can use the square tool. Maybe I can make a nice square hat at the top. Or I can use the triangle tool. The triangle tool makes a triangle. If we want to change the thickness of the line, I can click down here and I can click and drag, and you'll see that the line is extra thick. I can use that for my squiggle line too, but I don't want all these extra pieces all around because that's not part of a costume. So I'm going to undo all of that. If I want my character to rotate, I can click on these arrows right here. I can click at the top of my character and move them around. Now, I'm going to show you how we finish up our character and add them to our scene. Now that I finished coloring, I noticed that I made his hat a little bit too far down his head, so I want to move it. So I'm going to use this drag tool that looks like an arrow. I'm going to click on my shape so that it has the dotted lines, and then I'm going to drag it up to where I want it. I also have to move the beak up to the top. When I'm all done, I click on the check mark and it will add it to my scene. Get creative. I can't wait to see your lightning costumes.